Hello, so in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to import members from your existing database, say Excel sheet. So you just have to go to the import members and then it brings you to this page. Click on select file and navigate to where your Excel sheet is. Select that to get it uploaded. You get a preview of the columns that you have in your Excel sheet, and when you scroll down a little bit, this is where you need to do the mapping. So any column that is in your Excel sheet that you want to map to the first name, you just have to select that. So when you click on that, you can search for the column that you want from your Excel sheet that would be mapped to the first name. Same apply to middle name and others that are in there. So you can also select the gender if you have any in your Excel sheet. And then when you are done, you just have to click on the begin import, and then within a matter of seconds all the import will be done. Thank you.